Hello and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are always well, and today's recipe is barley bread. For the ingredients, I have 1 kilo of barley flour that I sifted to remove the husks. I also have half a kilo of flour here. This is whole wheat flour with its bran. I will mix 1 kilo of barley flour with half a kilo of flour. Whole wheat flour. I add 1 tablespoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar is optional and can be replaced with honey or omitted. I also have 1 tablespoon of anise seeds. I put it here, and it must be soaked in water to release its aroma. For people who are sensitive and get bloating from barley, this step helps prevent that. It prevents that intestinal bloating. That is why I did this step. Now I pour in the warm water. Anise or fennel seeds can be used and should also be soaked beforehand. Now I start mixing. The dough should be soft and not heavy. I add 1 teaspoon of salt or adjust it to taste. I keep gathering it gradually until it comes together. As I said, barley dough should not be firm and should stay moist. It should be soft. We do not knead it and only bring it together by hand. I add about 1 tablespoon of traditional olive oil. Or up to 1½ tablespoons. You can see the dough texture and how it sticks to the hand. Now I gather it like this and it has come together. This dough is very easy and requires no effort. Here I prepared about 1½ kilos. Now I cover it with plastic. I leave it until it doubles in size. Now I am back and the dough has risen. I gather it again. I dip my hands in water. I form small rolls from the dough. Then I coat them in semolina. I place them on a lightly oiled baking tray. I dip my hand again in water. I keep the rolls small. Then I coat them again with semolina. Medium or fine semolina can be used. I continue shaping until everything is done. Then I come back. I flatten the rolls slightly so they are not dense. I let them rise again for about 15 minutes. I preheat the oven to the highest temperature. This is the final shape of the barley bread. I use a high proportion of barley flour. I doubled the barley compared to wheat flour. One thing I forgot to mention when baking. Place a small heat-proof bowl with water in the oven. The steam keeps the bread moist. I cut one so you can see inside. You can see it is soft and well baked. Just try this method and add the water bowl when baking. Keep the oven very hot. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and please like and subscribe for more.